As the country struggles with the effects of climate change, a $2 million project is being touted as an effective solution in that fight. A workshop was recently held to mark the progress made in the first two of the four-year initiative funded by the United Nations Environment Programme. More from TVJ's Krista Campbell.
Less rainfall and hotter days. Two of the negative effects of the climate change phenomenon that's already taking hold on Jamaica. But the Climate Change Division of the Economic Growth Ministry and Jamaica 4-H clubs are working with young people to help increase awareness and find solutions to the problem.
We might take out the concrete and we might put bricks or so to ensure that we're reducing, in a nutshell, the heat index in the schools. We're going to be using the roofs of all the schools as water catchment areas.
Principal Director of the Climate Change Division, May Gordon, says planting trees along fences, football fields and walkways in schools will also help provide shade for when it gets even warmer. The project is being implemented along the downtown corridor, stretching from St. Andrew Technical in the west to Camperdown High School in the east. The funding agency, UNEP, says it's already seeing an increase in persons' understanding of the importance of climate change resilience.
And at a time like this, where we're kind of between drought and flooding, I think people are recognizing the value of having their own sources of water to augment what the government provides. Reforestation, planting trees. Sometimes we don't recognize the importance of it, but the trees, as we know, reduce flooding.
As for the threat to food security, the 4-H club head says he has a strategy for the next 30 to 40 years.
As precipitation reduces and temperature rises, you're going to have less food. We are presently now taking steps to introduce new food to the table. Because if you have a shortage of food, what you're going to have to do is to broaden the pool from which you pull from. So sea grapes, the red callaloo that people sometimes ignore, the badu, which is a cocoa that is endemic and in fact very, very tasty.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.